Okay, we're going to start with the cat. You know this is the trachea, right? So this structure is going to be the larynx. When you open it up and look this way, this is the esophagus because it's behind the trachea. When you pull this open this way, you can see the flap, which is the
epiglottis,
and the hole is the
glottis.
The upper folds are going to be the doorway folds, so they're
Vestibular.
the bottom ones below that are going to be
Vocal.
vocal folds. Okay, so then we're going to go down, and we have lungs, right? What is this?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. And this is? Heart. And when you look at the heart and open it up, the upper chambers of the heart are called?
Atria.
Bottom chambers of the heart?
Ventricles.
When we talk about these stringy things that go to the valves, they're chordae, tendonae. And then this is going to be the left side of the heart, atrioventricular valve. So the left is the
Tricuspid.
mitral valve, bicuspid. Remember, rats and lambs. The right is atrioventricular, is the tricuspid. Left atrioventricular is the mitral or the bicuspid. When you look at it closed up like this, the little flap on the outside is an ear-like flap, so it's called the auricle. This is going to be the aorta, right? It's going to be the ascending aorta. This is going to be part of the pulmonary trunk. When you open it up this way, we know this is diaphragm, so that this has got to be inferior vena cava, right? Because it's underneath the heart. So you're going to pull this up. The ligament that attaches the liver to the diaphragm is the coronary ligament, right? Because it is going to attach nearest the heart. They don't really have a falciform ligament because they've got too many lobes, but remember the falciform is the one in a human that divides it in half. Here we have the gallbladder, right? Between the liver and the stomach is going to be the lesser omentum. This big piece of mesentery here is greater omentum. You flip that up. You can find the stomach. At the end of the stomach, you can feel there's a little ridge, a smooth muscle. That's the end of the stomach. Pyloric sphincter. And then we're going to go into the C shape of the small intestine, which is called the duodenum, or some people say duodenum.
Duodenum.
Duodenum. I'm sorry. I was like, where did you go? Growth hormone. Then right here is going to be pancreas. Sometimes it's easier if you flip it over and look on the back side. And then you're going to have small intestine. Small intestine, small intestine. You can't tell the difference between ileum and jejunum. You can tell duodenum. The only place that you can find ileum is when you get all the way back to the large intestine. When you hit the large intestine, you know that it goes ileocecal valve, which is going to be that little ridge right there. So this has got to be ileum. This is going to be your large intestine. So this is cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. Remember, the cat doesn't have a sigmoid colon. And then when you look right there, that's going to be a lymph node. Is our ureter put back together?
No, it's still cut.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
We'll work on it when we go. This is the spleen, right? These big suckers right here, these are kidneys. Oh yeah, there's part of it.
Yeah.
This is going to be ureter. This one's cut. When you look up here, if you look for the renal vein, right, and then right above that, this little structure right here that looks like a little bitty kidney bean, that's going to be the adrenal gland. Where is it on a human?
On top.
Top of the kidneys. Excellent. This is going to be urinary bladder, so that if you can pull this all the way out, this one tube right here, that's the urethra, right? Because it goes out. What did I forget? This is a male?
Yeah.
Well, he doesn't have a whole lot more. Did I forget anything?
The testes.
You didn't cut him out?
No, I didn't come out. I just shaved
No.
them.
Okay, so when you look, that's a small
That's a what?
Says penis. Well, how kind do you think it's gonna be?
I don't know. I'm
I
not.
do think that's,
It's a cat. It's a cat. Okay, so this stuff on the outside, that's gonna be scrotum, right? So this is a testy and this is a testy. When you pull this way, see how there's like a little cap right there on that? That's gonna be the epididymis, because it's above the twins. Epididymis, so that's the epididymis, and then this is the testes.